on, guys? It's Kayak Q305 here, and in this video today I'm going to replace the stock rudder on the Hobie Revolution 13. I want to see if it makes a difference. Everyone's, there's a lot of hype about it, so I want to install it myself. It's supposedly one of the easiest installations that you could do for Hobie, and it's supposed to make a big difference. So let's get started. From my Hobie Revo, and we are going to install the big boy sailing rudder. So picture doesn't make a difference now, but give you a look in the difference in the size, kind of just putting here. So that's what we're gonna do. Can't get this confused in the way you install it, because on the back there's this groove here that actually fits on the main plate there for this one, so it's very self-explanatory. So if you like the install, it's quick and this kind of helps you out, give me a like, a comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.